So iOS 26.4.1 has just officially came out. So you might be wondering why this update is just not installing on your iPhone. Now, number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is to go through and make sure you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection. This is pretty much going to be the number one way to go and fix this problem. So make sure either Wi-Fi or cellular or whatever it is, making sure there's not any problems from that side, because sometimes there's going to be some issues, and that is going to be the main way to go and fix this problem. So under your Wi-Fi connection, make sure there's no problems there. Also, if there's no problems with that, you might also want to make sure that your iPhone has enough storage to install this update. So make your way over to your general settings right over here, and then go to iPhone storage. So right within iPhone storage, you'll be able to come into this particular page. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have enough storage saved onto your iPhone. This is going to be another really easy way of fixing this problem, because sometimes you might just run into some random issues with this, and just clearing up some storage might end up allowing you to fix it from that standpoint. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it either, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and just seeing if you can basically restart your iPhone. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, slide to power off, go ahead and unlock your iPhone again, and try reinstalling that update. Chances are, if you try doing that, that might end up fixing it for you, and that's another way to fix it. If it's still not working, you can also try going through and updating your iPhone via your computer by just plugging it in and installing the update that way. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.